Everyone, it's Kelly Sonda. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Basically today I'm gonna be talking about how not to lose in trading, right? It's not like there will not be losses, but basically there are some things you have to look out for and try to avoid in forex trading. Okay, but currently this is a trade on Euro USD anyway, and it was in profit. I actually dropped the trade on Telegram today. Yes, it was dropped on the Telegram channel, right? It was dropped on the Telegram channel even before it started. Okay, it was dropped on the VIP even before the move completed, right? So, but basically, I'll be showing you guys how I took this trade and you know my bias and everything. You understand on how I took the trade and what I'm looking out for currently in the market on Euro USD. So overall, remember, for you not to actually lose, the number one is focus on higher time frame order flow. You understand? The higher time frame institutional order flow, right? So you focusing on the higher time frame gives you more edge, and you see what price is trying to do long term. Overall in Euro USD, we are on in a downtrend. Overall downtrend, right? Overall in here, as you can see, we're in a downtrend, but now currently it seems that the market is actually what's trying to push up. But don't forget that any bullish move you see in a downtrend is an opportunity to sell, but you don't have to just, let's say, get in the sell immediately or get in the buy immediately. And from here also you can see that the market is actually trying to move bullishly, right? You can see there is a change of, like, there is a change in market structure currently, right? You understand? But I'm seeing price actually trying to take out this prior high here before any other down move or anything. You understand? Price moving lower. But if price should break if price should break this particular high, I might actually wait for a pullback to continue the move to the upside, right? And where will be the ultimate target? Basically here will be the ultimate target, 1.14, 1.154. So focusing on the higher time frame, seeing what price is trying to do on the higher time frame also gives you more edge, right? You understand? And price actually moved from a yearly level, so I expect price to actually move to the next level before any other retracement. That is just the price. If you look where it moves from zone to zone, right? But like, it depends on what you're looking at for and how you actually framed it. All this stuff, as you can see here, I have up to 3 Euro USD charts, and each of them is actually showing me something, right? And in the long run, like, I'm actually looking at many other things. It's not like I'm focusing on the lower time frame. Probably I focus on the lower time frame also to see what price is doing. But yesterday, probably I took a loss yesterday, so that is what I'm trying to discuss here and break down why I took a loss. And believe me, it was on New York section. It was this move actually. So I was actually wanting price to at least retrace more before pushing to the upside, but like, price moved 70 pips in 1 hour, and the news was not actually even yet, like, the news was in the next hour. It was not actually news that caused this, but news was after this. This was 2 this was 2 p.m. GMT, I guess. So yeah, 14. Then this was the news hour by 3 yesterday. But as you can see, price actually broke and like keep going higher, right? Overall, from the day, from the bias for the day, it was bullish anyway. But like, I was bullish on Euro years, but why I'm selling, I won't say I don't really know why I'm selling, but like, the sales was like, I don't just know. I was actually bullish overall, right? In fact, I took a buy from here to here, but now I was not like expecting it to just move straight up, right? And this morning again, it's also repeated. This same pattern also repeated again. So many people also might also be on a sell. So from here, I actually took the buy. So basically, from what happened yesterday, I saw that the market has actually was shifted, right? So with that in confluence, and I have a target 1.00 and 1.005 targets in mind, right? So it gives me more confidence and confluence to take this buy. This is around 60 pips trade. So all I'm saying is, for you not to lose, right, you have to focus on the higher time frame. Then also, secondly, is your emotions and psychology, right? You have to balance your trading emotions and psychology. Sometimes emotion will come in, especially one of the bad habits I actually have before. So was, once I'm losing, I don't like. I will not like to lose or close the trade in loss. I would love to add more trades to my losing trade. At the end of the day, you end up blowing account, right? So in a move like this, you're selling, and okay, let's say for instance, that yesterday, this I took a loss, right? Yesterday I took a loss from here. So it was a 20 pips loss, then like 15 pips or so. So let's say okay, I was seeing my trading loss, then I expanded my stop loss. Believe me, if you expand your stop loss in this type of move, in fact, okay, let me list of things you should avoid. One, do not expand your stop loss no matter what. If you're risking 1%, 0.5%, let it just be. And if you take a loss, you can close your system, work out, do any other thing, maybe will I say do some exercises, you understand. And secondly, do not add to a losing trade, right? Let's say you took a sell here and you see it's going up, you have expanded your stop loss. Now you're adding to your losing trade. Maybe you add another sell here, it keeps going up. At the end of the day, you end up what, blowing your account. Yes, because that is just it. Because in the market, you should actually have what to risk. Then if you have work to risk, right, just risk it, have what you want to gain. Then you can also have taking partials, like taking partial profits in your plan. Maybe 20 pips, you take out some cents, then break even stop loss, allow your trade to keep running. Sometimes people also find it difficult to just hold their winning trades, or let me say they can hold losses but they cannot actually hold wins. And all this thing I'm saying, I've actually experienced it. It's one of my bad characters I stopped. And also there is a book that actually helped in all this. I actually posted it in the Telegram channel currently. This Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, right? Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. So do well to, you can join the Telegram channel, and you also read through it. It will help a lot also. So believe me, there are many bad habits. It's just that anyone you discover yourself doing, you don't have to beat yourself or anything, right? You write it down and write how to avoid it. Some people, they have a rule of one trade per day, two trades per day. They don't actually go above those two trades or one trade per day, and they have risk to reward ratio of 1:2 or 1:3. So even if they lose up to 7 times and win 3 times, they are still 2% up. You understand? So with this type of ideology or anything, with using proper risk management and a strong grow your system, and you have a working system, even if your win rate is 70% or less, you still make profits, right, overall in the long term. Because forex, will I say, is a get rich quick, slow. You don't get rich fast. Many people try to enter the market and want to make it very very fast. In a day they want to make 20% or 100% of the account. You understand? Which is also like, is possible, but depends on the level of knowledge you have. So that's why I also advise, before you start trading forex, make sure you get knowledge, right? You can also join our VIP mentorship. If you want to join, you do well to contact me on Telegram, right, or WhatsApp or any other social media. I'll drop the link at the video description below, right? So do well to contact me, then we'll discuss about that, right? I'll give you the necessary knowledge required and every other thing you need to know. So probably it's not easy as it looks. It's not easy. There are many things involved, but people actually look down on that. People look down on the many other things involved in trading. So that is why many people also lose, and they don't want to improve their way of trading. They believe that, okay, let me focus on this. But sometimes if you focus on something for long, you see that the winning rate is low or is not giving you what you want. There is nothing bad in changing. Remember, you're here to actually make money, and not to lose money or focus on one system that is losing money. You understand? I always keep saying it. As long as you're making money, your strategy is good and it's great. But if you see that is not actually making money as you expected, or is not going properly, then make sure you keep advancing it. You understand? Everybody has their own bad habits or bad trading habits, right? So you just have to keep advancing it. For me, for example, my own is, sometimes I don't want to lose anything, right? And if you don't want to lose, that's what leads to expanding stop loss, adding to losses. when you're losing, when you have a losing trade, you add more, thinking or hoping that it will turn. Or basically me, I don't sometimes like holding to take profit. I just choose not to, because sometimes price will not reach or take profit. So I prefer taking partials, or sometimes closing everything and just watch the trade keep running, as long as I've made profit anyway. So overall I'm still making money, even if I know it's my bad habits, right? But I know I'm making money overall. So basically that is that for now, and I'll be updating you guys on my journey with my forex fund account. You understand, I lost 2% yesterday of my account yesterday, but I will not be trading. I'll be trading another, maybe by next week. So for this week I'll just keep watching the market, and I have many other things to do, so I'll be very busy, right? I will not be trading this week. So the 2% loss was from here, but I did not take this trade on that account in particular. I took it in another account probably. Yeah. So that is just it for now. So thank you guys for watching this YouTube video, and do well to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.